In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can deposit money to your Trust wallet from your bank account. Now keep in mind, this is just a wallet for cryptocurrency, so you cannot deposit money directly. You can only deposit money into crypto, which is your currency. So with that being said, what you need to do is just find any crypto that you want to do. So let's say you want to do Bitcoin. Press on Bitcoin and then you want to press buy, which will take you to the payment processor. Inside of there, you just want to fill out the information, and then you can type in that you want to buy $200 worth of Bitcoin. And then after you have confirmed it, you will now have $200 in Bitcoin on your account. Now, if you don't see the one that you want to get, you can press here and search for it. And that's simply how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.